Socialization as a process is the assimilation by an individual of socio-historical experience, culture, rules, norms of behavior, value orientations, and their transfer by society. The socialization of a person begins in the first years of life and ends during the period of civil maturity of a person. The socialization of children in IS is complicated, as they are forced to undergo special training, review their past, evaluate enemies. Methods of socialization, in this case, will be persuasion, as well as behavior correction. Children raised in the IS environment learn to be good cold-blooded fighters, and if an ordinary child is placed in such a context, they will probably change and imitate children raised in the IS. However, over time, they will again return to their worldview and behavior that was before they were placed in this environment. Resocialization is understood as a process during which a person learns social norms and cultural values if, for some reason, they could not do it earlier. Also, resocialization is possible if circumstances have changed in their life and they have to adapt to them. IG resocializes adults through coercion, that is, new aspects of their lives, faith, and so on are regularly explained. In addition, it will be more understandable for some adults not to use a forced method but a supportive one, which will gently change established social norms and values to new ones. A total institution is a place of activity and residence of people who have been cut off from the outside world for quite a long time and lead a reclusive life together, the forms of which are carefully regulated. Hisba is a total institution because it clearly controls the authorities, management, supervision, and people have their own functions and responsibilities. In addition, they have a court that resolves citizens' disputes. Articles and videos about IS have a significant impact on my point of view. People live under challenging conditions, and some from early childhood are forced to perform the most demanding physical activities and follow the orders of higher people. Changing the point of view of an already established society is complex and probably will not be successful. This society has existed for a long time, and some people strive to get there and become professionals in their field with an already chosen worldview. This and many other essays are available at studycorgi.com.